Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and happy November 1st. Today we're actually going to be doing some Ipsy spoilers for December of 2020. Christmas time has arrived, even though it's November 1st. I'm just in a holly jolly spirit, okay? So judge me if you will, but we are holly jolly over here. So today we're going to be doing spoilers for the Ipsy regular glam bag. This is the $12 a month glam bag. I hope that you guys are really excited as much as I am, because these are actually some really good spoilers. Actually, even the Plus and the Ultimate have some really good spoilers in them. So I will have those videos up right after this one. Just give it some time and the videos will be up. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts and opinions on all of these spoilers that I will be showing you. And if you guys haven't heard the big news, I made a video. Ipsy actually bought BOXYCHARM. I will have that video linked below if you guys want to go watch that video and put your input and opinions in the comment section of that video. I would love to hear what you have to say about it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the spoiler. So if you're into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Really quick before we get started, I just want to mention that I do have a JEFFREE star giveaway going on right now. And if you are interested, I will have that linked at the very top of my description if you want to go enter. Now let's go ahead and get into the spoilers, which I'm so incredibly excited about. Now I want to start off by showing you this bag. Okay, so it's kind of like a Sherpa bag and it's super pretty. It's this pale pink, which is going with my Christmas vibe, so I'm like, I really like this bag. And then it has like a more deeper pink little handle on it. I think that this is so cute, just the bag, and they're all like this but just different shades of color, which just screams Christmas. This one's more of like pink fairy tale wonderland, which is the theme that I'm going for in here, but this is definitely what that reminds me of. So cute, and I hope that you guys like the bag. Let me know what you guys think about the bag. Okay, here we go. Your December 2020 glam bag spoilers are here. Get excited. Okay, so if you guys aren't aware, the $12 bag is mostly sample sizes. Sometimes you get lucky and you get a full-size highlighter or a full-size eyeliner, full-size lipstick sometimes, yada yada. Y'all know the drill. So the very first spoiler here is from Claudelet. This is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. It says, the wind and snow can't dull your glow when you use this cult fave skin brightening serum. That was cute. Vinaverine is the star ingredient, and it's 62 times more effective at boosting radiance than vitamin C. Acne marks, hyperpigmentation, age-related spots. There's nothing this powerful formula can't help fade. This sounds actually so nice. I don't actually have acne marks, or I don't really think I have hyperpigmentation. I'm not sure what that is. But I can Google it, but I need something for stretch marks. Give me something for stretch marks, okay? I've had a child and my body is stretched all to HE double hockey sticks, okay? So this sounds really good for that, but you know, I would like to see some stretch mark cream in here, okay? Am I right, ladies and gents? Can I see some stretch mark cream in here? Because my stretch marks be hollering, okay? Next up, from First Aid Beauty, this is the 5-in-1 Perfecting Bouncy Mask, okay? Bouncy mask. Like a 5-step facial in a jar, this multitasking mask nourishes, calms skin, firms, plumps, and defines in just 10 minutes. It's packed with vitamin C to brighten, benotyne to renew skin, Ijitsu Rose to minimize the appearance of pores, and the texture, so satisfying. The unique gel bounces back to shape once applied to your skin to keep the skin-loving ingredients on lock. First off, First Aid Beauty products just aren't my jam. They don't work for me. I guess it's like my chemicals within my skin. I don't know, but anything I've tried from First Aid Beauty just doesn't work for me, and it just doesn't like my skin. So for this, I'm just like, you know, I'm not going to be able to use it because I just know it's not going to work, because I've tried a lot from them and it just doesn't work. But I don't know, I'm kind of over masks lately. I feel like we just get masks all the time and I'm just like bored with masks. Just like I'm bored with skincare, I'm bored with getting masks. Like, stop it. Leave me alone. Stay out of my bags. But there's a lot of people that like masks, so if you're into masks, you might like this product. Next up, from Benefit Cosmetics, this is the Precisely My Brow Pencil in 3.5. This looks to be a shade that would be kind of universal. So like I've said before, if you want it darker, press harder. If you want it lighter for brows like mine, which I use the shade Blonde, press lightly. This is actually a really exciting product because Benefit is like known for their brows, so I definitely definitely want to get this because I did just choose last month their gel for my bag, and then I also chose it for BOXYCHARM that's coming in this month, and it's the full size. I'm really excited to get it and try it. But yeah, pretty excited about this coming in the bag. I love Benefit Cosmetics, like without a doubt. I have so much of their stuff and it's just quality, okay? It's probably one of my favorite brands. Next up, we have from Sunday Riley the A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. It says let it glow your skin, that is. This serum is packed with skin clearing, wrinkle reducing ingredients including stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts. Smooth it on to help boost overall radiance, even out your skin tone, fade dark spots, and improve texture and more, which sounds amazing. I actually have some dark spots and I'm actually kind of sad because I was like saying how like my skin's doing pretty good, blah, 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 like at the beginning of the year, and now that the year has gone by, my skin is looking older and I'm about to turn 27, so I really need to start really getting into skincare like majorly, because my skin, I've noticed just this year, has like taken a 180. Like it's just like, well, it was okay, but now you're getting older, haha. So yeah. I needed to really look into stuff like this. Next up, the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Now this I actually have. This is the second one that I've owned, and I do have to say it's a great mascara. Though I got this one from a Boxy pop-up a very long time ago, I think back over the winter, and I got it and it was very dry. Like it was already dry when I got it. So I was really, really sad. So I haven't really used it. So it's pretty much brand new, but it's like, you can feel it. It's pretty dry in there and clumpy. So like look at that. I was pretty disappointed because that is not the way this mascara feels. So, you know, I never got to try it. So, well, I've already tried it, but I never got to actually use my purchase, and it wasn't just me, everybody else's mascara was pretty dried out. So if I get this, I would be really, really happy because I do like this mascara a lot and I would like to use it again. That's not like clumpy and old. Anyways, next up, the Murad Central C Cleanser. This is a product I would love to see as a full size, if I'm being completely honest. It says skin feeling dry lately? Yes. Give it a little extra TLC in the winter with Murad's vitamin-packed cleanser that gets rid of dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping away moisture. Scrub up with it and fight free radical damage, soothe stressed out skin, and lock in hydration for the long haul. That sounds fantastic. Murad, amazing. You guys know the drill. This would be really cool to get in the bag. Next, from BOXYCHARM. I don't know. This is the limited edition flat contour brush. This is an Ipsy exclusive. So this is just a really beautiful brush. I actually kind of dig the colors. It gives me Christmas vibes, like that dark color going into the green and then going into the gold. I don't know, it just gives me Christmas vibes. And the angle on this brush looks so nice. I would love to use this for my Fenty cream contour. It looks so, so good. So if I got this, I'd be pretty stoked. Next up, we have another mascara. This is the Complex Culture Executive Level Mascara, which is another Ipsy exclusive, which Complex Culture is Ipsy's brand, and I am seeing now that they are making makeup and not just the brushes. So I'm really excited to try out their makeup products because the brushes are legit. They're really good brushes. So this wand looks really great. It has curvature to it for length, and yeah, if I get this, I'm pretty excited. And since I do get Ipsy PR, I have a feeling that, you know, they'd probably put their own brand stuff in those, so I'm sure I might get this. But I'm just like guessing at this point. But anyways, we have one more spoiler. This is the Artist Couture Plush Pout Shameless Lip Color, and this looks so cute. It says wear one coat for a sheer wash of color or lay it on for a coverage effect. It's the perfect pairing for every look from soft glam to super smoky eyes. So it's supposed to give your lips a natural plump, and it has a cooling sensation. It's highly pigmented in a dusty rose gloss formula, so it is gloss, so it's a plumping gloss. That's basically what I'm trying to say, and it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. So that is the spoiler so far. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Are you loving it? Are you hating it? Are you excited about it? Let me know your thoughts down below. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!